I listened to some ideas about Ronald Reagan, the president of United States, and my imagination started to work. And just I see in front of my eyes the president that went to invite the special dinner all atheists in the world. And at this special dinner was served the most the best food that have been cooked in the world. And at the finish, the president just asked and speak. It's so amazing. I can't believe these foods has been cooked. How is possible to eat so special foods without mail cooker? How is possible to live in this world, in this beautiful world created special for us, without creator, without God? How is possible to exist, to be in this world without God that created from nothing, only with his work this world?